Malaila mali e aho e ki mo i lele i tonga kotoa, fia ki taritali lele ki mo tonu, ki o mo ngahi o ngongo mo i le tio kai uma ai television i tonga ki he hoani. I he wakaiko ia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Ta ofi ai whānau wako loro tonga mo i kolisi tutuku e kolisi kotupo mo i kolisi kuinsalo te me i hofoa, me hangahi mea tokoni ki he kātoanga o ingo kolisi. Loro tonga koe ai whakataputapui me he Typhoid. Whili a wili makafoli aki o vaini mo tofoa koe pule lahi o i poate whakafonua ki he whamawhai i mo whakamooni ako whakafonua o Tonga ki he tau e whākoe a kahoko. Pea tau tenga e pōpula ta o whitu e matapule ko samisoni tori seli ki he whakatupula vea lahi ki ha whae mo ene tama whiwhine. O kuta i epe ngahi tala noa kehea na iange peha i tau wakai ki ngahi o ngongo mei he malae o i sipotika o maa e to o ngā oi ea. Ko e wakailewa e niki he whai ki iki, ko aureli ani polutele. I he lolotonga ai te uma whana mo longolongo kātoa ngā e whana wako, mo e kolisi tutuku ai ongo kolisi tupu ai siasi wesiria na tawataina o Tonga, ai a koe kolisi ko tupu mo e kolisi kunisalo te i mahina ni mo e mahina katuu. Ko tuku atoa i e whalei mo e tapou mi he potu ngawe mo ui, keo hiko e whanau wako mo e kolisi tutuku ko toa pe, o e ongo ako angani mehi hofoa. Hei kai ki nau kau ki ngahi tānaki pe ngauhi mea tokoni ki he ongo aho kātoa ngani. I e mahina o ku kei tō ai mofi Typhoid me ngai whakataputapui o ku kei whakamamawhai atu ki hofoa. Ko e toka ngā he o ku mawhola i Typhoid i he mea tokoni mo e vai ka te tawakai ki he whai ki mo senolita tui vai.
I he whaiki eke a ngonga le te o Tonga mo e pule wa atoka ngai kine a takai mo uilele i potu ngai mo ui se la whao o ko swai whatala noa ki hong kolisi. Ko e whāna wako lolo Tonga mo e kolisi tutuku o ho fua o kuna wako i ako a ngā e ikai ke nau kau i he tānak mea tokoni i he aho o yongo kolisi. O kumahino kau ai kolisi kuinsalo te i whataptapui ko e ni, mga tuunga me he toki kakato ai tutuun whataptapui Typhoid a ho fua ke ahua fitu o maasi. Ka o kuto loto ai aho ai kolisi kuinsalo te i he mahina katuu.
Koe tuu koe taimini, ai koe ngā ia piako o ku si whaipe ngā ue ki ai, ta whatata ki te ko toloa, o ku tō ai aho o toloa i a tōna kon au ki e kāu. Ai a pia koe tūnga lewa kōpui ai, ko swhai e au ia ki he tiutalai, whai tala noa ki ai, koe whanau koe o ku nau pako i toloa ka o ku nau hao me hio fua, te ikai ke nau kau katana ki mea kai a toloa. Ta tau mo ia mo aho koliskunsalo te o ku tō ia, e tahaua tahatou tahawhātani ma waasi, pea ko swhaere vai whakatala noa pa koe mau programa o ku whakakakato o swaha mahino pe ai. Koristu tuku mo koristu lolotonga koe a kunsalo te i hofua e ikai ke nau kau i he ngahi mea tokoni. Pata mo ia i he programa lea na e whare i ai ke ngahi whae, ai mahu inga ke nau takta ngahi pe, ai ki mea tokoni e nau whanau, ko nau lawa mo ia ki he ako, pea whare i pe ke oua te nau wahewa e nau mea tokoni, nau takta hama upe ene ki mea tokoni. Ai ko tuunga ko whai kia e, ai tokanga i kina ai u api ako, pea mo e lau tohi pure anga koe ni aho whaka maa ai Ocean of Light.
Ko konga e ni ai ngā ue potu ngai mo ui ke whasisi hatoi mawhola ai mof Typhoid i Tongani.
Kua o whilea wili makafoli aki o vaini mo tofoa ke hoko koe pule lahi o i poa te whakamawhai mo whakamooni ako whakafonua o Tonga pe TNQAB ke tau e whakahoko. Ko hono whetongi ene foli aki e pule lahi mālolo ai ako toke tā o peti pulotu ai ana ane whakawhisi me i he lakangani i he tau wanoa ua whaa.
I he whaiki eke a ngonga le te o Tonga, pea mo i pule lahi o i poa te whafonua ke whamawhai i ako mo whamooni ako o Tonga, wili makaforiaki. Na ane kamata ngawe i he poate i he tau wanoa taha walo. Na le pehe koe taha ene makamaile i hano whili ki he lakanga, pe oktopa ene mo ui ke whai a hano lele i taha i he ngawe a ngā. Ke teke mo whakalele i ai ngawe ke no whakamawhai i ngahi tohi whamooni ako ai whana wako i Tongani. Pehe e folianki au ia ngahi matawaiwai mo ngahi pole o whiangahangai mo ngawe anga i he tau kotoa, ai a koe no mo sisi e patseti mo paanga ke whai aki ai ngā we. I he ene pehe ku ia e whakaamu ke ngā unu ngawe anga whakataha mo taau e taimi e whakalakalaka o e teknolosia.
Ke push nau tolu koe kau professional i he ngawe anga. O ngā ke nau malama ngawe i kotoa, ke nā hong control hangea na tole hafo i iwi makehi ki hono whakarere hapatu ngāua. Koe ki au, koe me e tongi mai explore. Ta osi si whanonga pe i e upatu ngāua e hangea koe whelawa ke maka. Whelawa ke data, whewa. All interrelated ki he capacity kona atongani kona koe hono ngāua ke me whau computer. Ki ngāua koe ki au e ke tau ma ngāua kona koe he kei ngāua he ni, te teke te whako ia. Ko ilo koe te whake te nita kone lahi ka mātou. Ke mau make the best use, ki limited resources o mai ke mau budget ki mau whake ngāua. Ke whakalelei e mau infrastructure, whaka information communication technology.
Nā e toi whamala ala foriaki ke ngahi pole o kuna whiangahangai mo ia i ngahi wāwhenga aki, me ngahi potu ngāue, me ngahi ako anga, pe ke palani ke veteki aki a palopale mako ia.
Pokase ke ngāwe ke empower te whita whaakweni. Pe ke ngata pehi ta whaakweni e me whakateki ne kāre, ka koe kau ngāwe. The staff board ki e na mau iwi kon koe me mau ilo ke ono ngāwe aki o me whakateknolosi aki ono whai koe ngāwe. Mai koe e lia e nofu ai e whakamama whahe de rea te koe ni. Ki hono whalere e ngāwe ake, ngāwe ka kaunga ngā ake information technology. Tēn tatau me mo no improve infrastructure o technology api ngāwe. Te koe tu e tēni me o kei ke mau malawe mātou kei ke ha mau sewa. Au kei fo o pe, mau kei sai pe, i he ki i tau motu o koe ne patu ngāwe. Ka koe alu koe ke loaloange, koe lahe kai teitau whi mau ke tuku, mone tue maho ingange, o tonu ki tau, koe tau me tau tonu ki tau ke maal, koe me a whonu mo, me whawhonu a tonga, tonu ki tau ke maal. Pak whi mao hawai ngā ha data management system ia ku ne maa capacity ke ne tau hi maru me tau tonu tonga.
O kumahino ke taha e ngahi palani ngāwe ai pule lai fo o ke tau e whā ka hoko.
Nā e tau te hei whakamau angalahi e mata pule ko Samsoni Toriseli ki ne ngāwe pōpula i he tau e whetu ki e hia ko e whakatupula vea lahi ki a wha e tau ne mango fulutupu mo e ne tama whewhine tau ua fulutupu. Nei tari tonu hia ki e hia ni a Toriseli Septema tau kua o si ka na ane toiri liu o tali halaia i Novema tau kua o si pe.
Nai hoko e hiani, makatuunga mihi huakawa ia e whakailoa moe whae i mahino ne iai hona wā whakakau mea. Ka nai hoko a wheta e mahino aki lolo Tonga e na huakawa ia o whenga o hofi ai e whakailoa ke sisina e whaeni motoloni ki e whariki. Nau i tokoni whae koe ni o ngona e ene tama whewhine, nā whenga atu ene tama whewhine whiunga mo whenga e whakailoa ke whakalawea i ake mea māsila ai whaeni. O malu i e he tama whewhine ene whine eiki aki hono nima. Nā whenga e whakailoa o tautou whakalawea i whae koe ni o hoko e lawea ki hono ulu, nima to he mā mohono tapa i ke te. Nā whenga atu ene tama whewhine ke whakamawahe i e whakailoa mehi ene whae, o ta whokia i e whakailoa mo mea māsila o turi mamao. O whenga ui tokonia i e tama whewhine koe ni mo ene loi mata ia o ngona mai he ngahi kaunga api. Kai kehe, ne iai pe ngahi whakamatala kehe whilawe i mohiani ka koe uhi koe mamawhahiani ne tūtu unia i e tui whakamaolahi Malcolm Bishop Casey ke ngāue pōpula tau e whitu e whakailoa. Samsoni Toriseli kai tolo i e tau e ua whakamuimui i he tau e ua i he ngahi makatuunga. I he nepehe, koe tau lewa e nima e ngāwe i he whakailoani i he bilisone, tuku kehe ka whaiwhaiange ko ne mau i ngai makatuunga o kutolo iai e ne tau e ua whakamuimui. Ma ai o ngonga le tio mo televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
O kuwikia mi he kau ngāwe whakalele business i tau taha i Tonga ni ai le lei me mahu inga hono whakawhea mai o ngahi wakameili me tuapule anga ki Tonga ni. O mātunga e ni mihi e nau whakaha, ai hoko e ni ko whainga mālie ke whakaivia whaka-ekonomika i ki nau tolu ta te whito i hona maloi mo tau hi ngahi matawhanga i loa whakawha ofa mo tuk whakaholo ko ia a tongani, le te atau kapo mo whakaiki.
I ngahi wiki lahi tongani, o kutu utai i he wafu wuna e laungi au e kauwhalau ewa mei tu apure anga. Pe au nau o mai ai e paanga lahi ki he kakai e whonua, a ki ono whakatau atu kia te ki nau tolu i ngahi ngā ue whakamea a, o a o ki ono ngau aki o ngahi whale mau anga mea tokoni. Ni whakahai i he pule ngā ue o e whale mau mea tokoni ko Friends Cafe, kolo tita sakalia ki o ngongo ai le tio Tonga, e nau honga ia i he polokalama ko whakatūtuu e he waa toka ngai kina e waka meili e potu ngā ue taki mamata, i he mahino ko e paanga lelei o nau tānaki i he aho pe wike ko ia.
Mau whalala pe matuki kau locals. Ko e the last 2 cruise ships, teke fu unga ki wakasisi ia. Pai kiki fulko ia ha ka whalau ewa te nau lue mai o ewa mai kilo toko loni ke nau kau he mea ke nau ha se ni tie lahi pe nau alu he ui sot ko i tahi he nau upu kingi mai ki ai ka koe iyo ka koe uwaka la lahi pe ok toko lahi le vai e kau lue mai ko i lo toko lo sio he o matanga ko i Nuku'alofa ni ko e paanga hu mai ko o mai waka meili o hinga lahi a pito ki he mau ki whalekai ka ko e whaka ekonomika lele au pito ko mea pe taha ko te mau to e whakahau ko ke ki lele a nge ko every waka o kunau hao mo o EKP ai wifi ka ko mea o ku mau whinga lahi ki ai mo pule Paul Johansson ke vawe taha pe foto mo mau ke internet ke unga ke se au pe mo se mau ai kau palangi me kau whalau e he na whanonga mai ki tongani.
Ko taha ngai elia o kulahi taha ke mana koa hono ahia e kau whalau ewa ko ha amonga a Maui. Ka ko taha ia e mātanga o iloa aki atongani i he historia aia o kutuu i Niu Tonga. Na whakahai e seta tamale o Niu Tonga, ni ongo o ku whai pe hono tauhi o Eriani ke maa i he aho kotoa pe, ka o ku toi whakaivia ki nau tolu e kau whalau ewa ke nau toi tokangangi i hono tauhi ai pe o mātanga tuu whonuani ke maa mo tu uloa ki he kaha u.
Pe aku hao koe ai ngahi wholau kotoa pe, o ke ngata pe he kau pālangi, kau pe mo kau Tonga. Koe lahi taha ia koe hao ko au ki sapate ia tō lahi taha ia koe kau muri ka koe kau Tonga. Koe kau Tonga pe kuna who muri. Te aku whakawhia maari ange tai nini. E mau ngā ue mohono toka ngā i koe uhina ko no lava ke a i pe haloka e a. Pe taimi ko e ia ko no a o na ea na e kai ke fu a malu. Pe ana e lahi ange taimi koe e mau o o siofi mo whakasio he ngahi taimi kotoa peke mahino o koe ke ahataha ke alo o wei ha whaahinga mea ke pe anga pe mau sio hangi ha mea na e tongi o kuai o ko mahalo koe pe kai o na o mai o whenga ke nau hanga tongi ha me i maka pe koe o souvenir pia ka koe tainini whakawhie maari e ka ki mātou mo kore pe ka ki nau tol ke nau o mai pe o tauhi whakalelei ke o mai pe o whai pe nau sio mo nau mamata ki ha monga ka aua e toi whai ha whaahinga mea ke nau mau i ai ha mea. Ai ak mau ta ofi au pito o se te hono o papa. Ta koe kaka ki o lunga. Ta tau pe mo makawhak na ngā. Ka ku mau o si tuk mai pe he tak mamata mau ke lotoi pe mo nau tolu ke whakaawa he tolu ke he ono he sapate. He oku toko lahi au pito pe mo kakaia o ku mai he a sapate.
Nai whakalotolahi henia e se tatamali ke kakai kotoa o whonua, tau te whito ke ngahi kolo o kulahi mo tuua i ngahi mātanga whakahistoria mo iloa a Tongani. Ke nau whengau e aki whakataha i hono whakapapau i oku puke mo malui pia toi whakamo ui mai i ngahi mātanga o kōhili ko uhi ko kahau o taki mamata. Ke to koni ke no whaka ai mai e kau whulau ewa ke nau ahia a Tongani he kahau. Mahino nei tok mawahe at i wikeni waka meiri mo ne kau pasese e fitu ngea o topu. Pea oku toi iai pe me waka meili e tu uta he wafu buna a pongpongi i e whaka amua i pe ai pot ngau e taki mamata ke ne whaka i via e tu unga whaka ekonomika e kakai mo e whanua whaka lōku fua. Ma ai o ngongo a le tio me televisione Tonga ko auri i tea tau kapo.
Ko e wakailewa e niki he tuunga o e ea, i hono tuku atu mi wa awake matangi a tonga e whaamo tufra hoko atu e vaiola vai Nikolo.
Malo lau mali a ho eiki, lelei ai tonga kotoa tai tai lelei ki moto ke tau whakamatala ea, ki he whiawhini ngai tala no alalahi ko e whakamatala ea, ko e velange ko ia ai tuunga o e ea pe peki a afu ko ia ai ea, ko hi hoko te alo mali e, i o tau ngahi e lia e ngai a hoko hoko mai. Tau toko wakai ke wham iki a muyang, ka koe i misi satellite ni ho tau e lia, mahine o pito pe ai ulo lele koe fofonga o ila a i a honi pe alo mali e o tonga. Pete mo wakai me peke i misi satellite ne sisi o pito ke asia toha ngahi ao i ho tau e lia i he tau whaifunonga mai koe ia i he a honi. Kai tuku pe mua ki tau wakai ke a honi maka hoko mai, mui lele uhalahi koe ni, pe koe al tamaki uha koe dini ue sia tere ki tonga pa mo tere ki toka lawe whakasinga wike ni, malawa ki ni maa hako pe mua uhalahi pe whakamana mana. Ke tau ngahi potai koe ni he whatonga, pe ko tau ngahi elia, pe ko tau ngahi vai whonua e lai alo maali e pe tau whaifunongat koe ni, tu kehepe, tere ki tonga pa mo tere ki toka lau, alu pe ke teka haviri ke toka lau hihi whakasinga wike ni, pe e malawa ki hangai uha tu mo toi whakasinga wike ni, Tongatapu ni pe mo e ua, kai mai mo ni te ko ia wike kaha o koe tu site mo wakai me pe ko au tamaki uhalahi en fononga whakatonga he whai pe ia he tu site ko ia wika ahu pe e alomali lele ia te toenga ko ia pe ko kotoa o o tonga i tu site ko ia o wike kaha o e da wakai ko ke whamatala ia he whiawhine o au ki a heng tau ngai vai whonua kei hoko te whitutuk mai e a mawhana mi toke lau hahake ke o tau ngahi vai whonua malawa ki ni whātupanga hei ua tu moto a hengi, pēa koe fua e mawhana, e au ke maura o tāko te kilisio te asi e wa whāke, wa ono e pōni, toko maali e pētahi, e mare tahi ongo fuke tā nima ki e hoa, i o tau ngahi potahi, pēa me he ongoni ua pēa mai ki Tongatapu pēa mo e ua, pēa ko tere ki tonga mo tere ki toka lau e pēa ngai taimi ke ia ua i ke mai tahi e wa noa ki e hoa, i a ngai taimi i he pōni. Koe tau wakai ko ia ki a pongpongi ange ke whalaite, ke hoko atu pe angai ua tu moto e hoa pongpongi hopa ke pe la ai pongpongi matafe tai pe fanki ua tu moto ko ni pe almali lele ata pe pongpongi ulo lele mai fofonga o la a e ma fana ta ka te kristo te sto ta ki tolua i ta ngai vai fonua a pongpongina ko e tahi to ka mali a pito ia ta ngai po tahi me ngoni ua pe wa mai ki Nuku'alofa e mai tahi pe ngo fuki ta nima a pongpongina te ki tonga pe mo te ki to ke lau oke ia pe whainga maali ke au ke mare tahi ko ia e wanoa ki e hoa a pongpongina. Pea koe tau wakai koe ke taimi ko ia o tahi, maha tokai o squata me hongo fulu o e pōni, tau maali e ia he hawhi ni ma a henghengi, hopo hake la pongpongi o swahiwa pea me heo no, pea hopo pea moe mahina a henghengi, i he o si fitu ko ia pea me hewa. Toi ngai whamatala ea ki he whasinga wikeni o ke pululu o i wiki kaha o, ke iai pe whainga maari ke angai ua tu moto e whasinga wikeni pe whoke mo ni te oi wike kaha u, te ka whoke hawiri ke toke lau hihi fo, i he whakawhi mai ai altamaki ki te rikitonga pe mo te rikitoke lau, pe malawa ke angai ua tu moto i Tongatapu ni e whasinga oi wikeni kai mai mo ni te oi wike kaha u, maa whana pute fua maa whana e au ni makahako mai i he te kirisio te asi tau taha ki he tolu ua. I Nuku'alofa i ngai aho ko ia ka hoko mai. Ko lawa kakato mo whamatala ea ki e whiawhini, maalo a pito ho mau mea mai.
Ko e tu unga ia o e ea ka tau toi wakaiangi pehe ki ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Ta ofi e whānawa ko lorotonga mo e kolisi tutu ko e kolisi kuinsangalote mo e kolisi ko tupou me i hofua me hangahi mea tokoni ki he katoa nga o kolisi lorotonga e whakataputapui me he Typhoid. Whiria vili maka folia ki o vaini mo tofoa koe pure lahi e boa te whawhonua ki e whamawhai i mo whamaoni ako whawhonua a Tonga. Pea tau te anga e popula tau fitu e matapule ko Samsoni Tori Seli ki e whakatupu halavea lahi ki hawhae mo ene tama whiwhine. Mo e kakato e peia ngahi o ngongo mo i letio kai uma ai televisione Tonga ki e howani. Mo e whakaamo ne au taki kotoa atu peia ki e loto whale kotoa. Kai malo e tau ke i whi au mai ka mo mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, the Ministry of Health has excluded residents of Hōwhua from two major celebrations in the coming weeks. Wilimaka Foliaki becomes the new CEO for the Tonga National Qualifications and Accreditation Board. And the Supreme Court has sentenced the man who attacked a woman and her daughter to serve 5 years in prison. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and the weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I am Bokua Aho. As two of the biggest colleges in Tonga, the two main Free Wesleyan Church schools, the Bow College and Queen Sanote College, prepare to mark their respective anniversaries in the coming weeks, there is concern from the Ministry of Health regarding the food preparation aspect of the celebrations.
These large celebrations almost always include feasts that are prepared by those involved in the celebrations, and as these are significant anniversaries with the Bow College, marking 160 years, and Queen Sanote College reaching their 100th anniversary. It is expected that families of students and ex-students, church members and anyone involved will be contributing to the preparation of these feasts. But with the spread of the typhoid in one of the villages in Tongatapu, the Ministry of Health have issued a warning to these two schools and organizers of their respective celebration that no one from the village of Hōwhua should be allowed to contribute in the feast preparations. The Ministry of Health head of the Environmental Health Division, Salafa'u, said discussions have already been held with the two colleges regarding this matter, and they were cooperating. Says they recognize the importance of the anniversary celebrations, but emphasize the need to limit the spread of typhoid and protect the country from this outbreak. It is understood that Queen Sanote College is included in this restriction because the typhoid lockdown order for Hōwhua will be completed on March 27, and the anniversary date for Queen Sanote College falls within this period. This is part of the Ministry's health efforts to prevent any further spread of typhoid in Tonga.
Wilimaka Foliaki of Vaini and Tofoa has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the Tonga National Qualifications and Accreditation Board, or TNQAB, for the next 4 years. Foliaki replaces the former CEO, Dr. Opeti Pulotu, who resigned from the position in 2024.
Speaking to Radio and Television Tonga News, the new CEO, Wilimaka Foliaki, said, "It is a great honor to be appointed to the position and that he is committed to giving his best in the role of advance and improve the work of accrediting students' academic qualifications in Tonga." Foliaki is not new to the office. He has been at the TNQAB office since 2018 and acknowledged that there were some challenges that the office faces every year, including a limited and insufficient budget and funding to carry out its work. He expressed his desire for the organization to move forward with the times, especially in keeping up with the technological development. Foliaki explained that one of the main challenges they face in working with government ministries and educational institutions is poor communication and lack of coordination. At times, their goals are not fully aligned, which can cause misunderstandings, delays in decision-making, and slow implementation of programs. To address these issues, Foliaki plans to strengthen collaboration by improving communication and building stronger partnership with both ministries and schools. By working together, sharing responsibilities, and maintaining open dialogue, Foliaki hopes to create a more effective partnership that will better meet the needs of the communities they serve.
The Supreme Court has sentenced Samsoni Doliseli to 7 years imprisonment for 2 counts of causing grievous bodily harm to a woman and her daughter. Doliseli pleaded guilty to the charges on November 26th last year.
The offence arose from a domestic dispute between Doliseli and the woman who is in her 50s and at the time was in a relationship with the defendant. The couple had been drinking alcohol that night and while heavily intoxicated got into an argument and Doliseli attacked the woman, attempting to strangle her. As the woman cried out for help, her daughter, who's in her 20s, rushed to her aid. But at this point, Toriseli had grabbed a machete and was swinging it at the two women. He repeatedly struck both the women, causing injuries to the mother's head, left hand, and the side of her stomach, while the daughter suffered injuries to her right hand as she attempted to shield her mother. Then she tried to run away while Toriseli continued to chase after her with the machete before neighbors heard the commotion and came to help. Medical reports submitted to the court showed that the injuries these victims suffered were severe. The Lord Chief Justice Malcolm Bishop KC sentenced Toriseli 7 years imprisonment, with the last 2 years suspended for 3 years on conditions, meaning he will only serve 5 years in prison. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
And hosting a cruise ship is more than just welcoming tourists. It's about supporting local businesses and protecting Tonga's cultural sites. The arrival of cruise ships in Tonga continues to be a positive opportunity to promote our culture and traditions, and especially for local businesses. This week saw the 8th cruise ship visit for the year, and it is evident that there are direct economic benefits for many local workers who gain opportunities through visiting cruise ship passengers. Litea Taukapo tells you more.
Cruise ships bring in hundreds of tourists on each visit, providing income for local cafes as well as historical sites, and creating valuable opportunities that contribute to national development. The manager of a Friends Cafe, Klotita Sakalia, said that whenever cruise ships are in port, it is a profitable time for the business due to the large numbers of tourists visiting the cafe. Sakalia also expressed her hope that the people of Tonga will actively take part in welcoming tourists properly, so that visitors enjoy their time in the country and continue to return to Tonga. Meanwhile, Eseta Tamale from New Toua, where the Ha'amonga a Maui is located, says there is a team from the village that is tasked with ensuring this tourist site remains clean and protected, adding that the main priority for site custodians is to ensure historical sites are clean, well-maintained and organized whenever tourists visit, so these sites remain beautiful and culturally authentic. Meanwhile, the tourism officer responsible for cruise ship coordination, Anaseni Manuapangai, said that Tonga had previously been included in the itinerary of several cruise ship companies. However, the COVID-19 pandemic forced cruise operators to suspend visits to Tonga. Despite this, cruise companies have continued to include Tonga among the destination countries for future visits. The continued return of cruise ships highlights Tonga's strong appeal as a tourism destination, while also reinforcing the importance of collaboration between government, agencies, local businesses and communities to ensure sustainable tourism development that benefits the nation as a whole. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
That wraps up this hour's news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. The Ministry of Health excludes residents of Hofua from 2 major celebrations in coming weeks. Wilimaka Foliaki becomes the new CEO for the Tonga National Qualifications and Accreditation Board, and the Supreme Court sentences a man who attacked a woman and her daughter to serve 5 years in prison. That was the latest news with Radio and Television Tonga News for the hour. For more on these stories, you can check out our website at www.tbc.to. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.